Hey guys, you're back with your boy Duncan for Season 1, Episode 4, Raised by Wolves, and this one was called Nature's Course. So last episode, the father captured one of those creatures, and it's tied up in the sort of little barn thing, and mother went off and killed one of the androids, Verona or something, and father went and saved the children. The children know that mother wasn't poisoning them. It was the pips inside those vegetables they grew. And Paul is still missing. He fell down some hole and landed on a branch. And so mother's out looking for him. The creatures are out. And then didn't Paul hear Tali going, da-di, 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 da? And that's like a ghost or something. So I don't know what that's about. Yes, and the Mithrakes have set out to find the children, all of them at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. Let's jump straight in right now.
I want you to scream out as loud as you can. You are not safe.
Oh, a crash pod. Jeez, Paul is a hero saving this mouse. How deep is this hole?
It's time to sleep now, Paul.
What is with these holes, man? This air, I don't know why, but it just feels hot or warm. Love this stuff. I really like this song. No, he doesn't look injured. I gave him a pass if he was injured. He doesn't look injured. What is that, man? Jeez, man.
Just 5 points, like in the prophecy.
It's warm, you can feel it. The power of salt
Dude,
coming from inside.
don't touch it. Something bad could happen to you. Paul is like the luckiest kid ever.
Mother.
Sorry, I've just got the biggest crush on mother. Ooh.
Father, I am sorry for my critical words.
I'm losing your respect,
Father.
as well as my own.
You acted like a coward. We all did, except for Vita.
Yeah, is that the little girl?
Can't.
No, animals don't go anywhere when they die. Death is the end of them.
Death is forever for all organic life forms, Campion.
Fine.
I've had a boyfriend back on Earth who was kind of the opposite.
Powers I possess have only just come to light. Your father may now feel inadequate. We'll find a way to make sure that everyone is taken care of. You know how fortunate you are.
To have give
I've
birth.
always wanted a child that came from me.
She shouldn't want anything,
You are
should
a
she?
creator.
Wait, no, I didn't mean that you should take it out now.
It's time to sleep now, Tempest.
What? She's gonna get a cesarean now. She was saying it hurt. Last episode, Tempest was saying, oh, the baby, it hurts. Tray. Whoa, man.
Sleep now.
I wish someone could say that to me at night time. Ugh, and I could just go to sleep. Just gonna go. The scenery is so Ridley Scott, yeah.
I'm gonna talk to him. Okay? We know how it goes when you talk to people.
Yeah, they're getting suspicious.
We'll use the explosives to make an entrance, and then we'll get moving.
No!
Captain, breach it.
Yes, Your Eminence.
If you can't get it yourself, it's not really a viable food source, is it?
Sure.
Digestible,
Yes, go on.
favorable composition, some caloric value.
So it could work.
Little Campion, man. He's the Messiah.
Just needs to be realigned, that's all.
To think you left Earth knowing nothing about medicine. The sun is sunk, the shadowy night is reigning in your room.
Is it from the scriptures?
Yes.
Seems like he's getting suspicious.
What was that name of the Earth food that everybody liked?
Chocolate.
Pizza.
This machine's awesome.
What are you doing?
He's praying.
Nothing.
Oh my god.
It's toxic.
Snowballs.
What does the snowman have between his legs? Is that the right Jeopardy answer?
Let nature run its course.
Nature has no course.
But I'll leave you with the final decision. I'll teach him to mitigate those feelings. It will surely get him killed.
Hold him down, he's a ticker. His mind's been infected by the necromancer.
It's one of ours.
One of ours.
So this man has never set foot on a battlefield.
There we go. Lord of the Flies is
Now.
here.
Strike me down. See where it leads you.
Ooh.
She has the earwig transmitter. It was her.
They often malfunction when they lose pairing with their siblings. No need to apologize for your accusation. Anyway, it looks like she can still be repaired.
Not now, she can't.
No repair necessary.
But she wouldn't be doing it of her, you know, she wouldn't have made the choice. His face. What are you doing, Campion is from Soul.
Campion, stop! You can do this, Campion. It's part of growing up.
Then I want to remain a child.
You don't need to worry. I won't involve Tempest.
I'm not Campion either.
I'm the son of a senior cleric. I can't kill. That would make me impure.
Death can be very unpleasant when you're intelligent.
She's gonna find some. This is not a live person, is it? Yeah, she's so strong. What is she doing? Where's this gonna take her? Is this taking her to that thing that they were in? Oh, okay.
Welcome, sister. And when we reach the promised land, Saul will reward us.
You can do so much more in TV now than in movies. I'm not in any hurry.
Campion, what are you doing?
What? Things are a bit... What is going on? It's not Campion. People can look different and stuff.
These are not broken, these are dead. All 6 of them. Dead! And dead is forever!
Gavin and Spiria, don't tell them what they were.
Spirit, don't tell them what they were.
They didn't need to know. It just made them sad.
I'm really confused.
Why do things have to die?
And nature is flawed.
Whoa.
See, I didn't know they taught these things at the Mithraic Academy.
Where you pick up little things along the way. And there are some among us that fear that he has lost his faith.
I've sensed that as well.
The mutiny is coming.
Hey.
Hey. Sue, that's not scripture, that's a lullaby. Every Mithraic child knows it.
Dude, it's on a knife edge with these guys.
Can't kill you.
They're the only medical.
He knows they need a medic to survive.
All right, you're gonna keep your head down. There's no settling scores, do you understand? Forget Ambrose.
What is this thing, man? Oh, This is like an old school adventure game I used to play, where there'd be nothing and then just some weird design thing, and you're just like, what?
Son wants us to survive. He will forgive us.
They make it here.
Son will forgive you. Our leader has lost his faith. I know your network is processing unless you want them to know it too.
Yeah. Whoa. The heat coming in clutch.
Saul has shown himself to us today. This is his will.
Now is it warm again?
It's warm.
He's gonna become the leader. That was just sheer luck.
I heard a voice.
Holy shit. The atheist is gonna find soul, man.
Tally? Tally, is that you?
She's gonna get the scalpel. Dude, crazy shit's going on. This is music. Dark has music like this. It's quite pleasant. Oh, what? You're gonna kill Hunter? Oh, she killed her. She's hungry. Nice and juicy.
Tally?
She had a baby inside. It was a mother. It was a mother.
Alright, so what do you think of that? That was the best episode yet, I reckon. So much trippy stuff's going on. Campion is going to be this messiah sort of figure from prophecy. Well, it's looking that way. And see when Druss grabbed him. He's lost his. I was saying it's on a knife edge. One way it could be he could get outed and stuff and banished or killed, and on the other way he could take over. And what he said, he heard a voice in his head. And just grabbed him. What was that about, man? And then when he said to his wife, I heard a voice in my head. See how she's looking at him like, man, is my husband getting religion? And what is that thing anyway? Because it certainly has a look of design. I mean, it could be natural, but definitely has a look of design about it. And what's with this tally ghost walking around? What's down those caves? What's down those holes? With heat coming up. They found a skin, but that could have been one of those creatures' skins. And they look oddly human. Their faces look oddly human. The mystery. Some of the kids are starting to side with Mother. Like Tempest is siding with Mother, and I think Paul is siding with Mother. I'm not sure where Mouse stands, but I'm pretty sure if shit went down, Mouse would have Mother's back too. Yeah, they killed that guy. He's pretty much assumed leadership. Wow, but is he going to start preaching? And that droid put something on his head. You know? There's so many possibilities. The droid put something on his head. Maybe, unless that put some voices in his head. But it's looking like he's going to get religions and say, I'm telling you something. And how can you deny? He grabbed that guy. That leader was weak. He was weak, though. Alright, guys, that was mad now. But they were starving anyway, man. They have to find food. So they'll eat that creature. Then you have to find more food. This has gone trippy. And, yeah, Mother plugged herself into that hibernation sort of simulation. And what was she looking at? She was seeing camp, because things are different. Things can look different in the hibernation or whatever. So that was Campion. And then he was saying, don't blame them. They didn't know. Snowballs. And wow, just so weird, man. This is going to be good. What episode was this? This was 4, yeah? Alright. Alright, guys. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. Let's get the let's get the likes to 10. Hey? To 10 likes. Come on. That's not asking too much, is it? 10 people. If we can get it to 10 likes, I don't know. We'll say good on us. Oh, that was cool. That was cool episode. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next episode. Peace out.